If you're shopping for a home today, you know it's kind of hard work. You might not find something right away, and it's easy to get fatigued. Sometimes buyers get discouraged and say, let me take a few months off. Maybe I'll come back in 6 months. Here's the thing. While you can take some time off, the market isn't taking time off, and it's hot right now in your area, Orange County. The forecasted appreciation is 1% in just the next 6 months. Let's quantify that. A home worth $292,000 today, the median price, would be worth $2,900 more in 6 months. $2,900 more. Additionally, if you're planning on putting the same percent down, you would have to borrow more because the home is more expensive. And how about interest rates? Even though rates are at very attractive levels, does it make sense to wait for rates to go down further? Can they go down further? Really? I don't know. No, the monthly savings with a lower rate, which is possible, are nice, but are dwarfed by the missed appreciation and amortization, and it would take many, many years to recoup what you would have lost. Should rates drop significantly, we can always refinance you in the future. Stick with it. Keep shopping, and you will find something. I'm James Graff, and that's this week's Mortgage Minute, brought to you by Advisors Mortgage Group. You can reach me at 732-500-6833. That's 732-500-6883 or P500 mute, as in we'll try to make your payments the size of a P with an A, put that under 500 mattresses, and put a gigantic trumpet mute up on top. You can picture that. MUTE, as in mute the audio of this video, if what I'm saying to you isn't worth your while or doesn't make sense. I would recommend that you please mute the media coming in, trying to dissuade you, trying to convince you not to invest successfully and create wealth for yourself using their vehicle, real estate. With that, I have to truly thank you for not muting my video thus far and moving on, as I'm sure many have, hopefully to my other real estate finance videos here on YouTube. Please, if you like this video, please hit that like button, squash the like button, hit the like button, please like it. And anything comes to mind, comment. And I highly recommend, actually, that you subscribe, because all the information coming into me, I will try to get out to you as soon as I can through YouTube. Thank you for listening, spending your precious time, I know. And with that, I have to truly thank you and hope that you have an absolutely wonderful day.